A couple questions on statistics initially. Does the department keep statistics on the use of a lawfully owned firearm in the commission of a crime as opposed to use of an illegal firearm or not lawfully possessed?
I guess the easiest way for me to answer that is, I mean, we do know who is a licensed gun owner and then gets arrested in New York City. We do have that data.
Arrested for the
could
criminal
be
use
arrested-
of that firearm?
No, I'm sorry, it could be arrested for DWI, it could be arrested for petty larceny.
But no specific stat on tracking the use of lawfully owned guns in the commission of a crime as opposed to an illegal gun.
Are you specifically speaking about a shooting incident using that firearm against another person that is lawfully owned?
Yes.
So, as the person that's responsible for putting into the database every murder in New York City and every shooting incident in New York City, obviously along with the victims, I will tell you this, anecdotally, it is an extremely low number, like probably single digits, over the past 3 years that I've been doing my position.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I've been hearing a lot from, and I represent 7 counties in upstate New York, a lot from district attorneys of those counties and law enforcement in those counties on really the attitude or demeanor of individuals confronting law enforcement in the street since raise the age and bail. I mean, I know you're not in the street these days still, but I mean, what do you hear from rank and file as far as how these perpetrators are responding to confrontations with law enforcement?
So you're right, I'm not on the streets anymore, kind of wish I was, but again, from me speaking to many commanders across the city over the past few years, and for me watching a lot of body-worn camera footage during the weekend and getting ready for CompStats on Thursday, I will tell you this, the NYPD officer has a very, very tough job. And there's no doubt about it that over the past few years, I have seen more of a lawlessness attitude when it comes to confronting the member of the service. But, you know, as the chief said, we are a resilient agency. We change our tactics, and I think we've done very, very well over the past, couple of years dealing with these situations.